With some international news, several Indian nationals have returned to Delhi from Iran amid the evolving security situation in the region. They arrived at the Indira Gandhi International Airport after the Indian government advised its citizens in Iran to leave the country due to the rising regional tensions. Joining us on the broadcast is our Jammu and Kashmir Bureau Chief Ajay Jandal with more on this. Ajay, we are now learning that finally some Indians have been able to escape from Iran. They have arrived in Delhi and finally they are here in their home country in fact, the Indian government had stated that they had advised and warned their citizens over there that whoever is there in Iran, due to the unrest over there, it's better to leave the country.
Yes, 3 days back, this advisory was issued by the Ministry of External Affairs that those who are studying, are working, or doing business in Iran, they have to leave immediately, and that is what we have seen. That embassy over there in Iran, they have been Indian embassy in Iran. They have been told to facilitate the people, those who basically are there. And that is what we can see, that now people, those who are stuck over there, they are continuously started moving. And first flight with the students and the people over there stuck over there in Iran, they have reached Indira Gandhi International Airport, and many other those who are still there, they will be returning back. And Government of India is ensuring that there is no harm to the civilians, Indian civilians, those who live over there. What we have seen that for last several days, situation is really volatile because continuous protests are going on, clashes are going on, which resulted into casualty of thousands of people over there in Iran. So that's why no one can take risk, and that's why authorities they are asking people to leave immediately.
Ajay, if I could request you to please do stay on with us. We have some more inputs on the story. An Indian national who returned from Iran said that she is pursuing MBBS at the Shiraz University of Medical Sciences and described the situation there as normal. She said that there were no internet services, and although they heard about the protests in Iran, they did not witness any such incidents firsthand. Another Indian national, a resident of Jammu and Kashmir, said that the protests in Iran were dangerous and praised the Indian government for making strong efforts to bring students back safely. Let's in fact listen in to what both of them have said.
आपका नाम?
अर्श जहरा।
आप कहाँ पे थी, क्या पढ़ाई कर रही थी?
MBBS।
कौन से कॉलेज में?
शिराज मेडिकल।
वहाँ पर स्थिति कैसी है इस समय?
सब ठीक है।
जैसे अभी सुनने में आ रहा था कि जो यूएस है उन्होंने धमकी दी थी कि
हमें आइडिया नहीं था, हमें इंटरनेट ही नहीं था।
इंडियन एम्बेसी ने आप लोगों से कांटेक्ट किया था? इंडियन एम्बेसी से?
हाँ, लेकिन हम खुद आए हैं फिलहाल, हमें कुछ आइडिया नहीं।
बहुत सारे
अभी
प्रोटेस्ट
नहीं
हो रहे थे वहाँ पर?
हाँ, सुनने में आ रहा था, बट हमने देखा नहीं कुछ।
आज 4 बजे के बाद तेहरान का सिनेरियो बिल्कुल अलग था, वो ठीक हो चुका है। अब सिचुएशन देखी है, आगजनी देखी है, आग वगैरह, प्रोटेस्ट खतरनाक थे, लेकिन जो प्रोटेस्ट करने वाले थे वो कम थे। और जो अगर हम अपोजिट दो पार्टियां हैं, रजा पहलवी की पार्टी है और इमाम खामनाई की पार्टी है, और प्रोटेस्टर्स कम थे एज कम्पेयर टू जितने इस्लामिक पॉलिटिक्स के साथ है वो ज्यादा थे। तेहरान में हुआ था, मशहद में हुए थे, कुंभ में हुए थे। हाँ जी।
भारत सरकार ने कुछ मदद करी, एम्बेसी से कांटेक्ट करने की आपने कोशिश की?
बड़ी कोशिश की है भारत सरकार ने, बड़ी अच्छी कोशिश की है। स्टूडेंट्स को वापस बुलाया, हम जियारत के लिए गए थे, पिलग्रिम थे हम, तो बड़ी अच्छी कोशिश रही उनकी। हमारा इंटरनेशनल कॉलिंग भी 3 दिन में रिज्यूम हुआ। फिर अभी इंटरनेट सुनने में आया है कि अब इंटरनेट तेहरान में 2 या 3 दिन में रिज्यूम हो जाएगा।
All right, Ajay, so we are hearing these people, in fact, the eyewitnesses of the protest, these students who have come back and they are stating that even though the situation is a little tense over there, they haven't been, been witness to really violent scenes. The situation seems to be under control over there, Ajay.
See, some of them they have seen and they have witnessed that ongoing situation over there in Iran, and as one of a person who basically went there for a religious purpose. He says that he have seen that how things basically were going on, and people of followers of two leaders, they basically are facing each other, and that is the reason that the clashes are taking place. And some of them, they say that since they were students, so they haven't seen much of such incident there in Iran. So they say that we are not aware. But the thing is that things are very volatile in Iran, and as I said, more than 2,000 people have already died, and the number could be more than that as well. No doubt that continuous statements from American President Donald Trump is something which basically are creating such situation over there. That is what Iran is blaming. But the thing is that India was very concerned about their own people, those who were studying, those who were in Prihan or wherever they were living in Iran, and that's why this initiative was started. And now first flight have reached, and many others, those who are still there, they also will be returning back soon.
Ajay, I'll request you to please stay on with us. US President Donald Trump has expressed gratitude to the Iranian leader